Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Gemini and signing into the account you want to use. This connects your edits to the right profile. Upload the photo you'll edit. Pick the highest resolution version for cleaner results. Once uploaded, switch to edit mode and accept any camera or gallery permissions so Gemini can read and write changes. Immediately select the area or tool you need first. This gets you into a focused workflow rather than hunting menus. Once you're in edit, choose the right tools for the job: crop to reframe, heal for blemishes, or generative fill to replace objects. Use the color and exposure sliders in small steps like 0, 5, or 1 units to avoid overcorrection. Subtle changes blend better. Apply masks to isolate edits and protect other areas. This keeps edits non-destructive. Make frequent use of undo and redo to compare versions, and use the split view or history to see how each change affects the final image. Finish by exporting your image at the desired resolution. Pick original for print or 1/2/3/4 for web to balance size and quality. If you see artifacts or odd blending, undo the last heavy adjustment or lower sharpening and saturation. Aggressive settings cause most issues. Make sure to save a copy before finalizing and sync to Google Photos or download a local backup. If edits fail to save, check permissions and network. Re-upload the original and reapply changes if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.